before we start this week's video, if you're new to the channel, this is the first time you've clicked on, please consider subscribing. I try and put a video on every week of me and my wife. We're trying to do up a 1989 VW camper. So if that's something that interests you, please subscribe. For those of you who have already subscribed to the channel, again, thanks for your support. But do us a favour, hit the thumbs up button. I think that means something on YouTube if you get many likes. And also leave a comment. 35 subscribers we've hit this week. Be nice if you just all dropped your name in and whereabouts you're from, so I know where my subscribers are in the world or the country. So I hope you like this week's video, guys. Again, please leave a comment. Please give me the thumbs up, and I'll catch you all soon. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Oh, I am also going to put, for one of my subscribers, I've eventually managed to finish that dash light install, so I'll drop that on right at the end of this video for you, mate. So see if that's any good to you. I can always strip it down again and show you how I exactly wired it up. But guys, enjoy the video, and I'll speak to you all soon. Cheers. Good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday. I can only mean one thing: work on the van today. So jobs that we're going to try and do. Is a job I've been dreading mostly, but weather's okay. Gonna have to bite the bullet. Is to fit this, to try and start fitting this rear quarter panel. Weather is okay today. We are expecting another storm. Obviously, it's the weekend, so storms have become the norm. And this weekend, I think they've named it Jorge, or Jorge, or Jorge. I think we're running out of names with these storms. But anyway, it's okay for now, so we'll crack on. Right, so you'll have to bear with me. I've never done this job before. So I've took it off of a section to start with. I think when I put the panel on, the panel I got up there. But what I need to do first, obviously, this is the inner wheel arch. I don't want to cut too much away, and then have to. I'm going to try and make this inner wheel arch first out of good metal. And do a bit of welding, and then I can think about putting the quarter panel back on. So that's what I'm going to do first, I think. So I've never done this before, so I don't actually know. But that's what I'm going to do first, and then we can take that off then, crack on from there. Right then. Right then, guys, had to make a bit of a makeshift shelter. I did get my phone out trying to knock this up, but I've just had my arse kicked by that storm Jorge. So just to carry on, I just threw a tarp. Well, me and the wife just threw a tarp over the back. See if that lasts. But yeah, it was snowing and everything 2 minutes ago. From sunshine and saw at the start of the video to absolutely bucket it down with snow. So let's see if this solves out. This is going to be interesting. Right then, guys, loads more grinding. I'm gonna have to put a patch under the floor there. I'll just show you where that is in a sec. And then I'm gonna have to put a patch in there too. Might as well do it right while we're here. So giving all this a bit of a clean up, and then we'll start making some patches start throwing those in there. Let me just get out. So there that is, from the, give you some idea from where the wheel is. So yeah, make some patches for that. I've got the metal. Put a patch in there. I say it's just bit by bit really, just keep working on it bit by bit. I'm going to get some metal and start making a patch. Well, that's me pretty much done today. The weather is it's just terrible. Freezing cold. I'll quickly show you what I've done today. Hopefully we'll be able to get on it tomorrow. It's just this weather, it's just an absolute nightmare. So I've got to make a patch for there, and I'll show you underneath. I haven't made a patch, start welding tomorrow. If you can just see underneath there. So I've made a patch for there. I'll weld that in tomorrow. Where is it? There's a small hole there. Once I've got that where I need it to be, I'll cut that, I'll make a patch for there. Oh, good morning then YouTube. Back on the camper van. Sunday, weather's a little bit better today. I'm going to go and crack on with this welding, see how much we can get done. So just getting all set up ready. Try and put some of these patches in today, see how far we get. Stay tuned. Be interesting this. Well, so not really done much welding, just learning as I go along, but we'll see what it turns out like. I hope you can see this on the video. This is what happens every time I seem to start with the weather just lately. So 1 minute it's lovely sunshine, next minute it's trying to snow. So I don't know how much more I'm going to do today. I've so you can see it on the video. Let's wipe the lens a bit. Just started putting the patch in there, and then also put the patch underneath there. I hope that's come out okay. But yeah, and then the sun comes out, and then it rains, so welding's not the best. We're getting there. So guys, that might be it for this week. Stay tuned next week. Obviously we'll still be working on this quarter panel. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll catch you all soon. I've finished this job up today. Can you see my my dash lights? I went with like a blue LED, and all I've done, I think I remember putting it in the video, is I've just put them on a switch. So the switch, all it is basically the ashtray, the cigarette light is permanent live and neutral, and all I've done is I've run that to a switch. So press the switch down, lights go off. Obviously turn the switch back on, and then the lights come back on.